Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow Uber Eats personalized offers and promos on your account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Ahead of a busy holiday season when consumers say pricey and promotions are their top consideration for purchases, and 77% cope with their busy schedule by ordering from restaurants. Uber Eats is launching three new offers type and new personalized marketing tools to help merchants reach more customers, launch new promotion, and maximize sales. So how to do it? If you want to load the Uber Eats app to personalized offers and also promos on your account. It's very simple. So first of all, how to open our Uber Eats app. You can log in with your account. After that, you can go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right here. From here, you can just scroll down and you can choose on privacy. So from your privacy center, you'll find there is an option personalized offers, promos, and marketing content. Uber control whether they are personalized marketing from Uber. You can choose on that. So you can allow by tap on the toggle in here. Actually, by default, this setting is enabled, but you can check it if you just accidentally turn off this feature. You can just turn on allow personalized offers promos. So Uber use your data including your account, device, demographic, trip order, Uber search, and approximate location information to show your personalized offers, promos, and other marketing communication for Uber products and services. You can opt out of receiving this below. It's very simple, right? So now you have personalized offers, promo, and marketing content on your Uber account. So that is how to personalize your account for offers and promos. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.